I'm very interested in urban inequality, and I live in a city and, just observe it. Our main goal then is to understand how the physical environment affects community and individual well-being. Our project combines using sensors placed atop of cars to try to capture different aspects of the physical and visible environment. So it also takes images. We're utilizing computer vision methods to try to automate how we read those images or model and capture air temperature and other types of environmental indicators. Air quality is one of them, but the other thing would be like physical conditions, such as trash or building maintenance.
When we try to do dense sensing and data collection, it's actually very costly and time-consuming to do in bigger scale. And that's also one of the reasons why we took the route of vehicular sensing, because cars can move around and collect the data from relatively large area with more manageable number of sensors and time scale, instead of going and putting sensors in every street. Our community partners also make sure that our research problem is actually related to the real world and it makes the societal impact.
I think it's an opportunity to really help improve the equity. It's like tracking neighborhood change, like to inform policies or maintenance strategies or things like that that'll better support well-being. There's so many things about nature that you could incorporate in creative ways, and biodiversity also through buildings, and that can lift well-being a lot.